Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to simplify 100 factorial by 97 factorial is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So we are going to use the formula of factorial, that is n factorial is equals to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3 times so on till 3 times 2 times 1. So that means 100 factorial is 100 minus 99 times 98 times so on till 1, and 97 factorial is similarly 97 times 98, 96 times 95 times so on till 1. So here 100 factorial we can write it as 100 times 99 times 98 times 97 factorial by 97 factorial. So we can cancel out this, and what is left? 100 times 99 times 98, which is equals to 100 times 9702. So 970200. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.